Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So it is early in the morning. I just finished cleaning my room. As you guys can see, I don't have any linen on my bed because I just put my sheets in the washer. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my new Birch mattress, and I absolutely love it. So thank you, Birch, for sponsoring this video. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company that delivers straight to your door. They make mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Birch makes organic, non-toxic mattresses made right here in America with just 4 materials sourced straight from nature. Organic latex, New Zealand wool, American steel spring, and organic cotton. You guys know that I was originally going to put this in my studio, but the bed feels so good. I had to keep it in my room. I love this mattress. I've been sleeping like a baby. If you guys are looking for a mattress, trust me, get this Birch mattress. This mattress is so good, so comfortable, very supportive. It's really easy to order it online, and like I told you guys before, they do deliver it straight to your door. You do get a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty on this. So for whatever reason you don't like it, they'll come pick up the mattress for you and give you a full refund. So I am in love with this mattress, just knowing that I'm sleeping on something that's non-toxic. Now I do have the plush topper with mine, which takes this to a different level of comfort. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. I love my Birch mattress. I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can click the link below or go to birchliving.com/Sharika for $400 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I am at my nail appointment. I don't see my nail tech, so I'm not going in yet. That fool always late. Not for real, he ain't, Lou, you ain't always late. Just sometimes you be just a little late and I get a little upset, but I love you. But so I'm just sitting here waiting on him to walk through that back door, because usually he's sitting on the little stool in the back and I don't see him. But after I leave my nail appointment, I'm going to my parents' house. Ryan is supposed to be painting his room and I want to be nosy, so I'm going over there. And I'm in the mood for some sushi, so I'm gonna see if he wants to go to a sushi spot over there in that area. It's this one sushi spot that I've been wanting to try, that him and Kalila always talks about. So I might do some sushi today, who knows, but I'm gonna go in here and get my nails done. Same color, same shape, same old, so I'll see you guys probably at my parents' house. y'all, so I am with Ryan. I'm actually sitting in the car because I forgot my mask in my car, and I ain't going to nobody establishment without a mask on. So I'm sitting in the car. He's getting his paint, and yeah, I'm just chilling in the car. And then after we leave here, he's gonna take me to the sushi place that I've been telling you guys about. It's called Bento. I've never been there. Y'all know I like the sushi house in the town center, or I like to get my sushi from Wasabi. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I love my nail color. It's so pretty. I showed y'all in a nail place. I can't show y'all right now. The color's not gonna show. But it's so pretty. It's like a lighter nude than what I usually get, but it's really cute. And I was telling my nail tech, I'm like, why you didn't tell me about this color? He was like, because you were so stuck on color 88. But I really like this one. It's really cute. It's really cute. So I think this is my new color. I really like it. I can't get Ryan's seat the way I like it. Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. Y'all, they got the beet juices over here on Ryan's side of town at Fresh Market, so I'm getting them all.
When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. So this is what I'm wearing. Try to back up as much as I can. But just some joggers from H&M and a basic long sleeve from H&M. It's pretty thin, so I shouldn't feel too hot because it's still a little hot here, but I'm just like so ready for the colder weather. I'm ready. So I'm waiting on Ryan because we're gonna go to Ikea. I told him that I'll buy him some curtains. So I want him to do his entire wall, but I also want him to do what feels good to him, not what feels good to me. So I'm gonna let him do his own thing. I'm just gonna try to assist him, but Ryan has his own style, and you know, you have to do stuff that you like. So I have to tell y'all about my new perfume. It smells so good. So it's the Mason Margiela Sailing Day. Girl. Oh, these are here's my nails, by the way. My nail polish. It looks similar, but it's a little lighter. But anyway, this perfume, when you guys go to Sephora, smell this. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna leave it right there. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Smell this and let me know. Now, some people might say, oh, it's good for the summertime, blah, blah, blah. I don't go by those rules. I wear whatever I feel like wearing. It just depends on my mood. And I've been wearing this like crazy. I just bought it like 3 days ago, and I've been wearing it ever since. It smells so good, and it lasts so long. Like, I sprayed this when I was getting ready like 2 days ago, and it's still on my robe. So it smells so good. Like, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. When you go to Sephora, smell Sailing Day, replica Sailing Day, and just let me know. Just let me know what you think. But y'all see, I bought the big bottle. So this bottle here was $135. So good. I'm telling y'all. Whew. Smells so good. And it's strong. So a little goes a long way. And it lasts like, it's perfect. Yeah, so I'm just waiting on Ryan. And I think he's on his way. And then we're going to go to Ikea. He's going to buy me another coupe glass because he broke my last one. And then I'm going to buy him some curtains. He has to cook some seafood for somebody. So I might go over there so I can get me some seafood too. Well, no, I can't get no seafood because Ryan like his seafood spicy, and I'll be screaming the whole time that I'm trying to eat seafood. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a few more days. It's almost healed. I didn't take any pain pills yesterday. No pain pills today. No pain. So I'm good. I think I should be able to go to the gym next week because I'm starting to feel normal. So I'll see you guys at Ikea. All right, y'all. So Ryan's here. And we just finished doing a little wine tasting. Y'all probably see that in a few days. Ryan, say what's up.
Hey y'all, what's up?
So we're getting ready to go to Ikea. I left my shades at my mama's house yesterday. She gonna call me talking about, can I have them shades? Cause they real sleek. I'm like, sister. I might get up here. They sleep. Where you gonna wear them at?
Hey,
to the farmer's market. Where are you gonna wear those?
You better get off my mama.
That's what I want to know. I was just so curious. Like, well, where you gonna wear them at, honey? Cause you don't go nowhere no more. All right, so we're going to Ikea. Do you have the measurements for the curtains?
Yeah, it's just 7 inches.
7 inches.
Oh, 7 feet.
7 feet. Okay, that sounds better. Oh my gosh, I see your mind's in the gutter. Right. Here's the mirrors that I have. They're huge. This is the name of it. So tall. Here's me. We're in Ikea taking selfies. We're so lame. Well, I'm not lame. He's a little lame, but you know, I'm not lame. Yeah, so this is the color that he wants to go with.
Which one?
Which one you think you'll be happy with when you wake up in the morning? That's what's important.
Black.
Black. Okay, y'all, so here's my favorite sushi place, the Sushi House, and then Wasabi. I like Wasabi sushi. They have really good sushi. It's expensive at Wasabi, but it's worth it. So let's go inside. Good. We're back. Let me show y'all what my sushi looks like. Let me wash my hands first. All right, so I just got the cucumber crab salad and dynamite roll. Let me show y'all. This is my first time eating today, and it's 2:04. So you might as well say that I intermittent fast because I eat so late. Look at my thing. All right, this is the sushi. Looks pretty good. And I'm recording on my Canon because my battery is dead. And then this is the cucumber crab salad. So it's just crab meat and cucumber. So here's my lunch. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah.